So if you want to use the music and video in your Canva, you have to follow the simple step. First of all, launch your Canva app in any of the browser that you want. Once you have launched your Canva, you have to log in into your account. Once you have a login into your account, you have to select the one of the file that you want to add the music and video. And here you can see the upload option. Let's go and tap on the upload option. So if you want to upload the files, just go for the upload file. So here you can see the audio option. So you can record yourself too. So also you can drag the media here to upload the account from the connection account. Just go and select the platform that you are using here. After that, you can connect your account here on your Google Chrome like this. After that, here you can see that you can go for the upload option and you can upload your images, videos, and audios from here like this. Also, you can go for the upload files like this. So here you can see the music option. You can upload it from here. If you want to upload the video, just go and here you have to just go and open that video here like this. And here you can find your